Hello and welcome to EKUcast. I'm Cherie Dawson-Edwards. In this second edition of our three-part series, EKUcast Goes Green, we look at the EKU General Atomics partnership to boost biofuel production in Kentucky. With the establishment of EKU's Center for Renewable and Alternative Fuel Technologies, or CRAFT, researchers will examine the potential for a cellulose-derived biodiesel industry in Kentucky.
This joint undertaking by General Atomics and EKU and the establishment of CRAFT should send a strong signal that the Commonwealth of Kentucky is serious about achieving the objectives we've set for ourselves in the energy industry.
This is a really exciting project because it has so much potential. Essentially, we're trying to establish a new industry, and EKU has the opportunity to be at the forefront of this new industry.
In today's environment, your ethanol products and some of your biofuels are a corn or soy-based product. Corn and soy, part of our food chain, and as such, those fuels become a competitor to the food process. We went with algae instead. Algae is one of the simplest organisms on the planet. It naturally produces a vegetable oil, and algae can be grown in 5 to 7 days and harvested.
The project involves using biomass, which Kentucky grows a lot of things very well, so we're going to try to grow biomass, some existing crops and some dedicated to fuel production, and break the sugars out of that biomass, primarily glucose, and feed the glucose to specialized algae. These are heterotropic algae that are grown in tanks. These algae produce a large portion of their body mass as oil. The algae can be harvested, the oil extracted, and then converted into bio-oil that goes into biodiesel and biojet fuel.
We are actually going to grow the fuel locally, produce the fuel locally, and consume the fuel locally, which is why we are projecting that there may be as many as 8 or more different biofuels facilities located within the Commonwealth. We have targeted an area roughly 50 miles in diameter from where these facilities will be, and that is to give us enough biomass to begin feeding the algae to actually grow the fuel. This potentially could be a source of new revenue to tobacco farmers or to farmers that have possibly marginal lands. The nice part about switchgrass is it will grow virtually any place.
This project has sparked interest in a number of students. We've engaged students in several projects related to this, and particularly the biomass survey. It's a win-win situation where we can start to prepare students for careers in a new technology, in a new field, and that's what EKU is about. We're preparing students for careers that we don't even know exist today. And this is a great opportunity to get those students engaged in that.
That does it for this edition. We'll wrap up our EKUcast Goes Green series next month with a look at some of the many campus programs that are making a difference in the ongoing effort to go green. Until then, I'm Cherie Dawson-Edwards. Thanks for watching EKUcast.